Hey friends, I'm Prisha the Explorer. Let's embark on a magical journey together and explore new places, toys, and experiences together. In the chilly Arctic, Pippa the Polar Bear cub woke up to the sparkling morning. Today felt like an adventure day. But what was that sound? A deep rumble echoed across the ice, making Pippa's ears twitch. Pippa quickly called her friends. "Did you hear that sound?" she asked. They all nodded. It was a mystery they had to solve. They followed the sound through snowy hills and icy paths, eager to uncover what was causing the strange rumbling. At last, they found the source. A melting iceberg was cracking and splashing into the water. Pippa and her friends decided to help the ice stay cool. They had a big plan to save their Arctic home. Together, they brought snow and ice to the melting iceberg. Everyone pitched in to protect their frosty world. Their plan worked. To celebrate, Pippa jumped into the water, creating the biggest splash anyone had ever seen. The friends cheered and played, knowing they had saved the day and their chilly home. As the sun set, Pippa smiled, proud of their teamwork. The Arctic was safe and sound for now.
Like, subscribe, and get notified when a new video is out. Thank you.